morning, the honorable judges. Good morning, all of the dances. How are you today? In this occasion, I would like to tell you a nice story. It tells about Tomo and the Battle of Surabaya. Do you want to know the complete story? Okay, please take a seat and always enjoy. Tomo and the Battle of Surabaya. One day, at 25th October 1945, the sky of Surabaya city suddenly became dark because the allied forces landed in Tanjung Priok Port. They were led by Brigadier General Malam. Ha 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 ha! Finally, we arrived in this place, the place that will make us the richest person in the world. Ha 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 ha! Said Malabi. Really, darling? We'll become the richest person in the world? Asked his wife. Ha 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 ha! Of course, my wife will take the advantage of this place and take the wealth. Huh? You are so smart, my husband. Let's start our plan. Ha 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 ha! Of course, darling. Of course. Attention to all of my troops who will colonize Surabaya city. Don't give them a mercy, he said. So long after that, Malabi was announced by Surabaya people. Later, the news spread through radio broadcast RRI. Tomo heard the arrival of General Malabi from the radio, became angry. Outrageous! I saw something. The independence of this country must be kept, said Bung Tomo. He immediately rushed to invite people, especially young guys, to create a strategy against the Allied forces. Hail the people of Surabaya! Never give up to case Allied forces from our country. Let's keep our independence and don't be afraid, because God always in our side. Said Butomo encouraged the people and to give them the spirit. At the following night, they start against the Allied forces. The battle ran quickly. The vital object of Surabaya city was taken again. Besides, they could catch to hostage the leader of Allied forces named Malabi. Knowing about that, Sukarno, the president of Indonesia at the time, suddenly came to Surabaya. He commanded the people of Surabaya to stop the battle. But after Sukarno returned back to Jakarta, the battle occurred again. Moreover, after Malabi was killed in front of the International building and was not known who killed him. This situation made the commander of Allied forces was very angry and wanted to catch and arrest the people of Surabaya. Bringing thousands of troops, artillery, tanks, on November 10, he gave an ultimatum to Surabaya people. Pay attention, for all people in Surabaya, hand out your weapon and be surrender. If you don't want to obey us, we will attack you from land, sea, and air, and all of you will die. Ha 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 ha! He said. But Surabaya people ignored the ultimatum. Ignore the ultimatum, Bung Tomo didn't accept about that. He immediately began to burn the spirit Surabaya picture with his speech. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Merdeka! Hey British troops! As long as the Indonesian bulls, the youth of Indonesia, have red blood that can make a piece of white blood, red and white, we will never surrender. Comrades, the people of Surabaya, be prepared. This situation is critical. However, let me remind you once more. Do not open fire until they have fired at us. Let us show them all that we want of freedom. And to us, comrades, we'd rather be devastated and destroyed than have no freedom. Our motto remains freedom or death. In the end, victory will be ours. Allah is always with the right people. Let us be assured. God will protect us all. Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar. Merdeka! Approximately 20,000 Indonesian troops of the Navy Force, People Security Army or TKR, and over 100,000 militias and irregular fighters defending the city of Surabaya. Women, children, and the people that pursue the right to get freedom should not deserve this destined state of you, the colony. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For welcome, ladies. I promise that I will take our freedom back. I will guarantee that Indonesia is ours and no one can deny it. Bung Tomo said enthusiastically. finally, the Indonesia lack of ability in using the guns, the lost victim will fall down, Indonesia success to show the world that all the courage and wanting to get freedom, and all the worship to the Almighty God or such enough gun to win the battle. That's all from the story, and we can get the moral value. There is no something impossible if you want to